Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to reset the code on a Canon safe and explain what you need to know before you start. Canon safes generally use either an electronic keypad or a traditional mechanical dial, and knowing which one you have is the first step to keeping your valuables secure. If your Canon safe has an electronic keypad, begin by opening the safe using your current code. With the door open, look along the inside edge of the door for a small reset button, usually near the hinges or battery compartment. Press and hold this button until you hear a beep or see a light, which means the safe is ready for a new code. While still in programming mode, enter your new combination using the keypad, choosing a code that's hard to guess. Confirm the code as instructed on your model, then release the reset button. Before closing the door completely, test the new code to make sure it works smoothly. If your Canon safe uses a mechanical dial, resetting the combination is more complex and usually requires the existing code and a specific dialing sequence. Because this process varies by model and mistakes can lock you out, it's often best to consult the manual or contact a professional locksmith for help. Taking a few minutes to reset your safe code properly can prevent unauthorized access and give you long-term peace of mind.